To utilize Chime Spot Me, a free feature available to eligible members with an activated debit card and regular monthly deposits of at least $200, you can take advantage of its overdraft protection. This feature allows you to overdraft your account up to your approved limit, which ranges from $20 to $200, without incurring any fees. Additionally, Spot Me offers automatic repayment, where any deposits made to your account will automatically cover your negative balance. To access this feature, launch the Chime app. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top left of your screen, and toggle on the Overdraw Free, Fee-Free setting. Ensure that the option is green and review your limit, which will be displayed underneath the setting. Once this is done, you can make a purchase that exceeds your balance, and the overdraft will be automatically repaid when your next deposit is made, without any overdraft fees. This process occurs automatically, as long as the option is enabled and you have made a purchase that has resulted in a negative balance.